In front of me is OPPO A83 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down to tap on Clone Apps. Now click on one of your available apps you wish to clone and use gray switcher next to Enable App Cloning to activate it. Then tap on Rename Cloned App and name it however you wish to. Then hit save and go back. So now when I check, I can see that my Facebook was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings, tap on No Green switcher and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!